In a remarkable and miraculous occurrence, medical professionals successfully delivered a baby girl from the womb of a Palestinian woman tragically killed alongside her daughter and husband. The devastating incident occurred during an Israeli attack on the Gaza city of Rafah, which claimed the lives of 19 individuals, according to Palestinian health officials. Among the casualties, nearly 13 children from a single family perished when 2 residential homes were struck during the intensified airstrikes. According to Dr. Mohammed Salama, who was looking after the newborn, the baby weighed 1.4 kg and was delivered by doctors in an emergency C-section. He added she was stable and her condition was gradually improving. Sabreen Al-Sakani, 30 weeks pregnant, tragically lost her life in the strike. Doctors at Rafah Hospital placed her baby in an incubator, adorning her chest with a poignant label, "The baby of the martyr Sabreen Al-Sakani." In a touching gesture, Sabreen's young daughter, Malak, expressed a desire to name her new sister Ruh, signifying spirit in Arabic. According to Sabreen's uncle, Rami Al-Sheikh, this heartfelt choice reflects the family's enduring spirit amidst unimaginable loss. Dr. Salama said that the baby will remain in the hospital for 3 to 4 weeks. After that, we will see about her leaving and where this child will go, to the family, to the aunt or uncle or grandparents. Here is the biggest tragedy. Even if this child survives, she was born an orphan, said the doctor. According to Palestinian health authorities, 13 children tragically lost their lives in an airstrike targeting the second home belonging to the Abdel Al family. Among the casualties, 2 women also perished. In response, an Israeli military spokesperson speaking to Reuters stated that various militant targets in Gaza were struck, including military compounds, launch sites, and individuals armed with hostile intent. Over half of Gaza's 2.3 million people have crowded into Rafah, seeking shelter from the Israeli offensive that has laid waste to much of the Gaza Strip over the last 6 months. Israel is threatening a ground offensive into the area, where Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has said fighters from the militant group Hamas must be eliminated to ensure Israel's victory in the war. President Joe Biden has urged Israel not to launch a large-scale offensive in Rafah to avoid more Palestinian civilian casualties. Palestinian health authorities say more than 34,000 people have been killed in Israel's assault, which began after Hamas fighters attacked Israel on October 7, killing some 1,200 people and abducting another 253, according to Israeli tallies. The Palestinian Health Ministry said on Sunday that Israeli military strikes killed 48 Palestinians and wounded 79 others across the Gaza Strip in the past 24 hours.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.